Hey guys, this is Jaro of J Daily. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because there will be a lot of content that's gonna be coming your way within this month. I'm just trying to take some time, take a lot of breather. I'm just gonna be posting whenever I like to post. So at least I won't be rushed, and also I won't run out of content and also ideas. Give this video a thumbs up if you are a minimalist or if you guys are planning to be a minimalist in the future. Let's start! As a minimalist, I'm a huge fan of Apple because all their gadgets and all their technology is a bit of like in the minimal side. It has less clutter, it has less wires. So I actually opted in for an iMac or instead of like a PC desktop or whatever you call it. A person who is actually practicing minimalist is like, I get to find a lot of stuff easily. Wala masyadong kalat. So like if ever I need to look for an item that I really need, it's just right in one place. Nasa isang pwesto lang siya. So like if ever I need a USB, I have one box full of all the USB that I need to look for. Even all my files in my computer is actually separated into 3 different hard drives. So there's one hard drive for my YouTube media stuff and also one hard drive for all the movies that I have downloaded. Sorry, I do have Netflix by the way. One hard drive for my work stuff and another hard drive dedicated for all my photography stuff. This is where I keep all my business cards. This is one of mine that I made a few years ago. I am very fascinated with everything space and the future until now. And if you have been watching me since day one, you know that I'm a business card hoarder, so I got me a card case just to keep all the artsy cards that I've been picking up from stores and whatever. I also have a photo of BB in it, just in case one day he lost his identity and personal information. There's a few more at the back, but I'm not gonna go through that. All the items should have their own individual storage boxes. Most of them, I got them from Daiso, and some of them are from Japan Home Center. Since I couldn't find the same thing in gold to match my style, I decided to spray paint it instead. It's a cheaper alternative and a good project if you're into DIY and customization. I really enjoy buying notebooks that are more organic. Simple is better. I treat it as art and I see it as art. And as much as I love storing all information digitally, I still keep myself a notebook to write important notes. I really love how simple this notebook is, and it reminds me of Muji, but this one is more of like a cheap-ass Muji, so... Here's another notebook in my workspace that I got from New Valley. I forgot the name of the store, but I really love how the cover of this notebook is made out of tin can. The pirate design is a dead giveaway. It is worth every penny. Arr. I have been organizing my workspace for more than a month now, and right now I have actually decided to just keep it as it is. And now that we're done with everything on the left, let's see what's on the other side of my desk. There's a sticky note, another sticky note, and a stapler, a very unaesthetic calculator, an alcohol, bookmarks, an eyeglass cleaner that I also use to wipe the glass of my iMac, a tape measure, and a utility card. I got this mug coaster from Common Room's pop-up shop last year in Town Center. And of course, I don't work without my eyeglasses as I am partially blind. And I also keep myself a power bank for my phone in case I'm too lazy to get my phone charger upstairs. There's only one thing that I miss as a minimalist, or maybe one aesthetic item that it's not in my workspace. If you are working at home like me, you kind of need to bring in the nature inside your place too. It actually calms me down and it really helps me to de-stress right after work. And then also, pag umutot ka, syempre makakatulong rin sa'yo yung plant. Like pag umutot ka sa loob ng bahay, makukuha niya yung amoy. So at least nakakatulong siya sa house. This mesh mood board is actually from Ace Hardware, which I decorated with Polaroid pictures, inspirational quotes, and some other knickknacks. This art of BB and I is made by my friend, which I really find cute and special. Just looking at it cheers me up when I feel too stressed from work. Isn't that what mood board is for? Golden Deer wall decor is from Invitation House. It does not come with the raccoon tail. I just really had to make him sassy by adding a faux hawk on it. I did not regret being a minimalist because it really helps me in being organized. Like before, I was really cluttered. I only buy what I need, like a PS4 game, because that's necessary. But yeah, but I don't buy too much. Like if you like it, go and buy it, but don't buy too much of it. And that's about it for my minimalist workspace. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you're a minimalist or looking into be one this year. If you guys want to keep updated, I'm always on Twitter and Instagram, right on the links down the description bar. Thanks for watching, and again, this is Jaro Daily. Keep it kawaii! Bye!